Hello friends, how are you? Today I'm going to show how to make this awesome design in Inkscape. So guys, let's start. First, we have to a circle. Create a circle. Hold down Control plus Shift to create in ratio size. Now use this tool to create a another circle. Use this setting, triangle in, and you can create this like this. I think this is sufficient. Now we have to rotate it. First I want to change the color of this newly created object. Rotate it, and we have to resize it. Select this circle and create a center point of this circle. Now select this one and convert it to path. Now select the green one and send it to bottom. Again, uh, send it to bottom. Now we have to snap these two objects like this. Resize it. I think this is okay. Adjust it, and we can also increase the thickness of green object. I think this is okay. Now create a shape. Actually I want to delete the extra part of the objects. Now select it with red one and go to path and click on difference. Now select edit by node tool and select only these two node and break apart the node. After breaking the node, go to path and click on break apart. Now we can delete these. Now we can see red one is in center. Now create another rectangle and select with the green one, go to path and click on difference. Now select the green one and click on break apart and delete this extra object. Now we have to create two circle. Convert it to path and duplicate it. Snap these two like this. Fill with none color and adjust it. Select these two, go to path and click on intersection. Now select only these two node and drag it. fill by black color and hold on shift key and click on none color to remove the outline from this shape. Now resize it. Now duplicate this one and drag to bottom, and we have to increase the size of bottom object. Now rotate this one. You can also rotate the bottom one, but I am not rotating this time. Go to extension and click on this extension and use this setting. You can also use this setting according to your need and apply it. I think this object in group, so we have to ungroup it. After the ungrouping, we have to align. You can enable alignment option from here. Align it. Now duplicate these and flip it and adjust this shape like this. Close this one and snap this object like this. Rotate it. I think this is okay. Now select all these and you can also resize it again. Now go to path and click on union. Now select this one and adjust the size. Now select it with a red outline. We have to select it carefully with red one. Now go to extension and click on this extension, pattern along path. My shape is our main shape in vertical, so we have to click on this checkbox and apply it. You can also check this setting and you can click on apply. I think this is in opposite direction, so I am pressing Ctrl plus G for undo, and now select only red one and flip it. After the flipping red one, select these two. I am selecting red one and black object. Go to extension and click on again and apply it. I think this is okay. Now here is some modification. Select the green one and edit it by node edit tool. Now select the red one carefully and delete it. Now select all these and go to path and click on union. Now duplicate it and flip it and adjust it like this. So guys, delete this one and we have created our object. So guys, please try it. I know you can make better than me, and you must try this useful design in Inkscape. Thanks for watching my video and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.